The Speaker of the National Assembly and the Chairperson of the Parliamentary Service Commission, the Honorable Right Honorable Dr. Moses Masika Tangula, fellow members of Parliament, the family of our late brother, and fellow mourners. Honorable Speaker, we welcome you to the home. You are a member, the late Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were Wives. And all the family, and to encourage them to let this difficult time. The young family is Margaret Were, Anne Were, Meru, and opposite you, Honorable Speaker, are the children of our late brother. The gentleman there is Boyd Were. I'll skip the one next to me. This other gentleman is Pascal Were. The by-spectacled one is the eldest son, Charles Ong'ondo Were, named after his father, I think. Ocha Were. Next to Ocha, Honorable Speaker, is Jensen Were. Jensen is a student at Catholic University, Eastern Africa. And next to Jensen is Immaculate Were. Immaculate is a grade 9 student at Kabarak University. At Kabarak Private Group of Schools, way in Nairobi. I don't remember this gentleman. Leslie Odhiambo. Allow me to welcome Margaret Were to say a word of welcome. And I'm going to come to
Senator, Secretary, all good morning. I just want to welcome you to our home. As you have heard, I'm Margaret Were, Nyalango. I'm from Bomet. That is my father-in-law. Yeah. You're welcome. Tumewashukuru sana, Mr. Speaker. Tumewashukuru sana. Hakuna kitu tunaweza chenye mumetufanyia. There was something I was asking myself. Sijui kama Charles amekuwa akifanya vile mmetufanyia sasa vile kuna shida. You've really done well. Thanks so much. Asanteni sana. Tukikuja huko utukaribishe tu. Tunaona wewe unaita a very young family. Bado watu wanataka kazi, watu wako shuleni. So tukikuja utukaribishe tu. Bado si ni wako. Asante sana na wakaribisha nyumbani. Tunasema Charles, wacha Charles alale in peace. Thank you.
In the same right, Honorable Speaker, I want to request Anne Were also to say something.
Praise God. Thank you for coming to connect with us. May you be blessed. We were down, but because of you right now, we feel we are people. Keep that spirit to everyone, and may God bless you.
And the children, Ocha, do you want to say something? Brief.
Good afternoon, Mr. Speaker, and all the guests that have come again. Thank you for standing with us in this challenging moment. The only thing I would like to say is to serve. We are regular visitors in the office. So thank you so much. We remain strong as a family. As you've seen, I have small siblings who are dependent on my dad. So thank you so much.
I want to skip you unless you insist. Speaker, Good afternoon. My name is Boyd. All I can say is that I want to thank you for condoling with us. As a family, I'm sure we are strong and we'll be strong for Zé, wherever he is. And we'll try as much as possible to continue his legacy. Thank you.
Because of time, Pascal will allow me to leave note, isn't it? Yes, but Jen, you see Jensen is shaking his head. Jensen, you can say something. Yeah, of course, Immaculate is satisfied. This family has actually four members of parliament. The Honorable Hillary is with us, and we request him to say something.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for finding the time to condole with the family of our late colleague. It was very tragic because on the fateful day, we were generally in Parliament with all of us preparing to go for recess, and we didn't know that somebody was prepared to harm our friend along the way. The family has been condoled by our colleagues under the able chairmanship of our friend Peter Kaluma, and we want to thank Parliament every step of the way. We've seen your hand, you sent the clerk here, sat together, and everything is rolling right. I knew very long before even I joined politics. And I remember we lost our father-in-law in the period preceding the 2017 elections. And when we were at the burial in Mengurwani, where I had just won the nominations on ODM and I just won the nomination on UDA, and there was a lot of tension about the political affiliation. The family stood up to declare that there was no ODM, there was no Jubilee, NASA. It was just family, and we all complied. And from that time, we have bonded, become friends. When we came to Parliament, we were placed in the same committee. And it has been a journey, and we thank God for his life. As you have been told, they have a very small family who need a lot of support. We will, of course, all of us, under your leadership, stand together to see how we can help them. And I want to thank members of Parliament for the immense support that they continue giving in terms of contribution in our groups and all the other arrangements. Just because I've been given a chance, Mr. Speaker, I want to ask my wife to stand for you to see her. She's Harriet Kosgei. She follows Maggie. Thank you so much.
The Honorable